Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center on YouTube with an important update. If you're involved in the EIDL and the Paycheck Protection Program, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you're watching again, thanks for watching. And here's basically the Paycheck Protection Program loan forgiveness document. If you saw the other video, they did have the 10 or 3508 EZ. In my opinion, it's very easy. I'm going to have a link in the description if you need that form. But if you have a Paycheck Protection Program of $50,000 or less, this is very, very easy to do this. I'm going to have this link as well as all the links in the video. But I'm going to explain how this works and then show you everything. The short story is they have a new forgiveness application that's only one page. So it's a Paycheck Protection Program PPP loan forgiveness application 3508S. So it says it expires on 10/31. So you want to get this done quickly. You put your information, doing business as, business address, the Social Security, EIN or TIN, phone number, contact, email address, your lender's PPP loan number, the disbursement date, employees at the time of forgiveness, EIDL application number, EIDL advance information, forgiveness amount, employees at the time of your application, the PPP loan number, SBA PPP loan number. Then you have to certify the following: that the information was used for payroll. So you initial. You understand that the funds were knowingly used for unauthorized purposes. The federal government may pursue recovery. The borrower is accurately verified payments for payroll. I have submitted to the lender required documents. The information provided in this application is the information provided, and it explains your loan amounts. The IRS documents I've submitted to the lender are consistent with those the borrower has submitted. So you're submitting the same information. I understand, acknowledge, and agree that SBA may request additional information. Fill this out, sign it. My guess is they won't accept DocuSign, but I could be wrong. So I'm just letting you know. But what I would do is, well, it's pretty simple. If you use an online source, they may let you file online very easily without having to fill this out. But if you read this and understand this, it's very easy to do the rest. Of course, they have a last page here. Not required, I don't believe. But you can mark if you're a veteran, male or female, your race, and your ethnicity. And then this other link that I'm going to put in the description is the instructions if you want to go over the instructions. But in my opinion, I just gave them to you. It's pretty simple. And then, of course, this final information. So getting your Paycheck Protection Program loan is very simple. It's a one-page document if you're under $50,000 or less. Keep in mind, you may want to do this as soon as possible because they are expecting a Paycheck Protection Program too. And if you do need it, you'd be able to apply and get more funding. So I don't know if the requirements are going to make it so that you have completed the first one to get the second one and got it forgiven or not. I don't have those details, but why not get it forgiven now if the application's available and the lender that you used is allowing you to do that? And this says it expires on the 31st of October. I was kind of surprised on that. I'm not exactly sure why, because of the simple fact that I think technically you have a year to start paying this back. But either way, here's the application for 3508S, the Paycheck Protection Program short form or simple form under $50,000, which is most independent contractors, self-employed people because of the $100,000 cap. So, all right, it's Pete. Smash the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment below. Have a great day.